Where's your other piece? No, it didn't. Why would we lie about eating your pizza? That's what I don't understand. Like, we're all grown as hell. And it's juicy. Look at all that juice that came. Good morning, mamas. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a vlog. I'm going to show you guys my somewhat kind of routine. If y'all noticed, I just got my hair done a couple days ago by Juice. This is Dare to Have Hair, and look at this little scarf that she gave me, guys. I love this. This is way better than like those silk scarves that people be selling, because this lays the lace down. This is Eurasian curly, and we did like a custom color, but I'm gonna show y'all how to get into that color and all that, you know. I mean, well, get into maintaining this with the color. But today we're doing a vlog, okay? And it's Taco Tuesday. So after I leave the office today, I think I'm gonna come back and make some tacos and just bring y'all with me throughout the whole day, because I know you guys want a long vlog, so I'm gonna try my best to do that for y'all. But real quick, I'm about to get in the shower. She's still in her bassinet. I'm trying to put her back to sleep. I just gave her a bottle so that I can get in the shower and get myself together. And yeah, so this is the little owl that makes noise, well, like a lullaby songs, and then white noise, so that she knows it is time to go to sleep when she hears this. And you guys can get this from Bye Bye Baby or Target. Alright, y'all, so just got out the shower. What? Anyway, so I just got out the shower now. I'm about to do my hair. So if y'all can see, this lace is melted. First got it done, I did like a half up, half down kind of look. I'm gonna insert it here. But lately I just been feeling like the wild kind of look. So I'm just gonna wet it a little bit and add some conditioner. There he is, say hi. Alright, so I like to use conditioner, and then I use a little bit of like a sheen spray. This is by Aftergy, and then of course water, okay? And I've had this on for almost 4 days now, and it's still cute. I'm gonna do my baby hairs last, but we're on our way to the office. Excuse me. She has been getting better at night. She's only woken up a few times, which is good because she always wakes up in the middle of the night. So yeah. So this is a lot of hair, so you can break it into sections. I'm just wetting it and I'm going through my fingers. I don't want it too wet. So I just got into an argument with this man because we bought a box of pizza yesterday, half veggie, half meat. My mom had one yesterday, I had one veggie yesterday, my mom had one veggie yesterday. We both had another veggie this morning. So that makes 4 pieces, right? Okay, that means you have 4 pieces to eat to yourself. You eat about 2 pieces at a time. Okay, so where's your other piece? No, it didn't. Why would we lie about eating your pizza? That's what I don't understand. Like, we're all grown as hell. So me and him got into an argument because he acts slow when it comes to food. And then this is the alternate milk that she drinks when I first came from the hospital, I started giving her soy milk. Now listen, y'all can give y'all babies whatever milk y'all choose. I'm tired of going back and forth with y'all about milk. Cow's milk has bad side effects and soy milk has some bad side effects if you're not breastfeeding. So you gotta pick your poison, you know what I'm saying? But I like soy because they actually put children on soy milk if they're allergic to cow's milk, and I felt because I was giving her breast milk, I didn't want to give her breast milk and cow's milk, so I felt soy would be a little bit better because cow's milk causes a lot of allergies and upset stomach. So this is the soy instant milk for fussiness and gas, and this is what I choose. Y'all can choose what y'all want. Keep y'all comments to yourself. I already did my research, and that's just that, okay? But this one is the ready to feed. I know if you have WIC, they give you the powder and the water, and that's just too much work. So you could just, I give her 4 ounces. I don't know if that's a lot. She doesn't really drink it at one time. She'll probably drink about 2 or 3 ounces and then get back to it. But yep, so it's already made, and it is a little bit more expensive. I think it's like $8.89 for the ready to feed. So, you know, but at least you don't have to sit there and shake up that powder with the milk and all that. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but I'm gonna make her 2 of these, and I'm gonna put them in the bottle warmer so that they can be nice and warm for her before we go. See y'all in a few. Oh wait, and I want you guys to go follow Lokes on Instagram. Actually, go to his Instagram, go get him to 0. I'm gonna put the link to your Instagram on the description. Go get him to 0 and go cuss him out for being disrespectful about my pizza. I'm gonna put all his information in the description box, okay? So make sure you guys go handle that for me. Thank you. Here's the bottle warmer. This is the to-go bottle warmer. You put hot water in here, but that takes too long, so I just choose to warm them up, and then they stay warm in her diaper bag. I only got up twice yesterday, which is good because she gets up a lot normally, so that was cool. So before I started vlogging, I just put her right back to sleep. I gave her a bottle and put her right back to sleep. So yeah, it's kind of hard to start a vlog from like early in the morning, if that makes sense, because she kind of wakes up on and off. But I'm about to wake her up now, so we're gonna put her in the stroller. I already changed her, and I'm about to check her again and put her in her stroller and pack her diaper bag, and we out. I remember my last vlog when we went baby shopping. This is that onesie that Lokes picked out for her, y'all. Her little Easter. Every time I put it on her, she cries. Put it on her yesterday, she was crying. She don't like. You don't like it, Celine? She doesn't like it. So, cry baby. Cry baby. Cry baby. So guys, she cries this whole way until we get outside. So when we get outside, watch her stop crying because she loves outside, like me. Okay guys, so see, she stopped. As soon as we get like right here, she stops. It's like magic. So this is the base for the mommy butter that I'm about to make. So Lokes just got done feeding the baby and burping her. So now what I'm about to do is print out shipping labels and write what's included in the packages on the back of the labels. And then I turn around and I'm going to hand it to Lokes, and then he'll start packaging everything. And then when we head into the post office after this. So enough of the chit chat. I guess you guys could just sit and watch me work. Finally back home. I didn't record us going to the grocery store, but I'm in the house. We're making shrimp tacos today. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys. This is not going to be an in-depth video of me making shrimp tacos, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm making the pico de gallo for the shrimp tacos, and it's going to want some tomatoes, some red wine vinegar, some salt, and pepper, and I chopped up some onions, and I chopped up some tomatoes with some cilantro, and we're gonna mix all that up and put it in the refrigerator while I get started on everything else. Of course, you're gonna mix it all up, and that's what it's gonna look like. And then you're gonna squeeze 1 lime, just cut it in half and squeeze the juice in there, and then put the lid on top and let that marinate while we cook everything else. Now for the cabbage slaw, you're gonna need purple cabbage, some garlic, mayonnaise, and of course some cilantro. We're gonna be using cilantro for everything. And a little bit of this avocado ranch. Okay, cut up the cabbage like this into little pieces like this. Okay, chop and add a few cloves of garlic right into this bowl. So after your shrimp has been cleaned and deveined, you're going to season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, a little bit of seasoning salt, and this is the most important ingredient.
What's that ass, girl? Jamie, you heard that mixed with the shrimp, y'all?
You're stupid. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shrimp and I'm gonna put it inside the bag, and then we're gonna get to frying. Then I hit it with some more blackened seasoning. Yummy. We're going to make our sauce. You need to taste it. Okay, that's mayonnaise. Guys, so I almost forgot that you definitely need sour cream for this recipe. So what I did was I got another bowl, put some sour cream in there, and then I add the sauce that we already made, and then we're just gonna mix that all together. This is the tortilla. Sorry y'all, we're watching a movie, but this is the tortillas that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to put them on here and let them bake for a couple seconds. And there you have it. Here is the shrimp tacos. I did the slaw, the pico, the shrimp, and then the cheese with the sauce. This is not a taco night without margaritas. Oh guys, look at my new hookah. Isn't it so cute? Started eating already, but tell us what you're getting from these tacos.
So the crunchiness.
The crunchiness from the slaw.
The slaw and the shrimp. And that lime.
Oh, you squeezed your lime on
I
there.
squeezed the lime on top, and then the sauce with the sriracha.
And it's juicy. Look at all that juice that came from there. Would you have another one?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Okay. Well, I just wanted you to try it first, and I did put cheese on there. Oh, she's dipping in the juice. Oh wow! It's a hit! It's a hit! It's a hit!
This is delicious.
Yay! Okay, so today was the first time I ever made this slaw, you guys, so that was cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys leave love, and I will see you guys in the next video.